Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube node in N8N and use it to get many video categories. This is a quick and useful setup if you want to work with YouTube data inside your automation workflow. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N and 8N walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow editor. On the left side, you'll see the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add different actions to your automation. In the search bar, type YouTube. Once the YouTube node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. As soon as the node is added, you'll see its available actions and settings on the right side of the screen. Now we need to select the correct operation. From the list of actions, choose Get Many Video Categories. This is the option that lets you retrieve multiple YouTube video categories at once, which can be helpful when you want to map or reference category data in your workflow. After selecting that option, move on to the configuration section. Here, you'll need to give the required details so the node can connect and work properly. Fill in the needed fields based on your setup and make sure the information is accurate. If your workflow requires credentials, select or connect the correct YouTube account details before continuing. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the node is set to get many video categories and confirm that all configuration details have been entered correctly. Once that's done, your YouTube node is ready to use inside N8N, and that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube node in N8N and selected the Get Many Video Categories action. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8N tutorials.